This is an example of creating a bar chart when we have a summary data table. In other words, we didn't have a raw set of data that we had to compile into making this. We were given the data to start with. If we were to try and make a bar chart out of this, if I were to highlight the data and we were to go to Insert, we're going to go to the Charts area and we're going to click on 2D column. What you're going to notice is that Excel uses smart logic, which is helpful at times and not helpful at others. So it looks at this and said, oh, look at in column A, we have numeric data, so I need to graph that. In this example, we don't want that. So what you can do is just, the year is in blue, so we're going to highlight the blue bars. You'll notice I didn't double click, I clicked once, and that we have dots around all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on delete on the blue bars. Voila, we got our profit in millions now, and you'll notice on here that it does have that as well, so that we're only doing this column. Beautiful. But the problem is it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We really wanted to say 2013 to 17, so how do we do that? If you go to the Chart Tools tab, Design, and the Select Data, it should already be open to this ribbon. So most of the time you just need to click on the Select Data ribbon, and you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move this up here. I want this to say 2013. So our horizontal axis labels, we want to be 2013 to 17. You'll notice as soon as I did it, it changed that, and it is what we want it to be. So I'm going to click on OK. Now that we've done that, our next step is simply to go ahead and make sure that this is the title that you want. What I would probably do is I would probably go either to the chart elements on this plus one, or if you're on an older version of Excel, Chart Tools, Design tab, and Add Chart Element has the same options. And what you're going to do is you're going to add your access titles, and you're going to put your legend in if it makes sense. I don't think it makes sense in this, but put a proper title on it. So I'm going to do that really quick. This would be my final graph. I would probably put the company name in it. I would then put profit by year. You'll notice here, profit by year. It is in millions, so I went ahead and put that along the axis here. And the bottom axis, we didn't need to label because 2013 to 2017 made sense, and we didn't need a legend. One last piece of advice, when you create the chart, if it's nice and simple, if you do decide to make a black chart and you know you're going to be making copies, that does eat a lot of ink when you have that black background. So a simple white background is a lot better, and just keep it nice and simple. Hope that helps. I'll catch you in the next video.